many students lose marks in factual essays, not because their ideas are weak. I am Bryan, an exam writing specialist who has helped thousands of SPM, IGCSE, and UEC students move from a B to an A star. Today, I want to show you something simple, but examiners love it. Many students lose marks in factual essays, not because their ideas are weak, but because they use basic or repetitive words. Today, I'm going to show you 3 words you should avoid and what to use instead. First, avoid using "this is because" it sounds basic and repetitive. Instead, you can use phrases like "this is roughly due to," "this can be attributed to." And one key reason is that, second, avoid using "nowadays." It is common and overused in essays. Instead, try in recent years, in modern society, or in today's world. Third, avoid using "also." It's too simple for formal writing. Instead, you can use "furthermore," "moreover," or "in addition." Now, let's look at this student's essay. Do you notice any problems? Yes, this student uses "this is because," "also," and "nowadays." These words weaken the overall quality of the writing. In the future, I'll show you 4 more words that examiners don't like to see in factual essay. Stay tuned. My story essays are not about big vocabulary. They are about clear ideas expressed through powerful sentences. Subscribe for more tips. Follow for more writing hacks. Join my class now. Link in bio.